Client Profiles offers the legal industry's deepest integration with Microsoft Outlook. In fact, the term integration does not provide justice to just how effective these two programs work together. As you will see in just a moment, Client Profiles directly embeds its technology within Microsoft Outlook, allowing users, most specifically attorneys, to spend the majority of their day in Outlook, yet still contribute to the case management system. As you see, we are in a Microsoft Outlook inbox. The messages below have already been read, and you'll also notice there's a checkbox here that identifies that these items have already been associated to the Client Profiles case management system. The two items up above, of course, have not been read, and they have not been associated. A user has two options to associate an email message with Client Profiles. The first option is double-clicking and opening that message up into a full screen view. You'll also notice that all the items are the same to what you currently have available in Microsoft Outlook across the top. The only difference is we directly embed a Client Profiles tab within Microsoft Outlook, allowing you then to associate this message to the case management system. You then have two ways to create the association. The first is through clicking on the large association button, which will pull open the case search window, giving you a number of different methods to be able to associate this email to a case. The other option is a very quick drop-down, which will allow you a listing of your most recent cases and your My Cases list to very quickly select which case you'd like to associate this email to. I can simply create that link by selecting a case, which will take this email and store a copy of it within Client Profiles. The system also allows for time entry prompts anytime a billable item is created within either Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft Office, or Client Profiles. So I can simply fill out my time entry screen here and select OK, and now that time entry is submitted for billing. The other option for creating the association between Microsoft Outlook emails and Client Profiles is by simply highlighting that message and utilizing your preview pane over to the right, and then simply selecting from, again, the same two options across the top, the CP Associate, which pulls open the large case search window, or you have a quick drop-down of your most recent and your My Cases list. And again, simply select the case, and this item is automatically associated to Client Profiles, and you are again prompted for billing. For the sending of outgoing messages, it happens in exactly the same way that you would send an outgoing message in Outlook today. The only difference being, as soon as you click for a new message to be sent, you're again prompted with that case search window, allowing you to select which file you are sending this message in regards to. You'll notice that when we select that item, we can automatically insert into the subject line of this email the case name, the case number, or a claim number into the subject line. You also have the ability to then select who this email is to, type in the body of your message, and then simply select Send. And that message will then go out to the recipient, as well as a copy will be stored within the Client Profiles case management system, and again, you'll be prompted to enter your time. Also, when you're looking at your Microsoft Outlook inbox, Client Profiles offers you the ability at any point to view these messages, read the messages over to the right, and then within one click, directly access all of the case information relating to that matter. So between Microsoft Outlook and Client Profiles, you are truly one click away from any of the case information in which you need to view.